ACW Tactical. Original gear and resources. This video will demonstrate using the Mac Pack and satellite pouch together. Our Mac Pack, or multi-use, all-purpose, carry pack, has an innovative design built for versatility, function and flexibility for an array of end-user needs. Here, our SAT, or satellite pouch modules are attached on the flanking sides of the Mac Pack, giving extra capabilities and additional storage. Users can leave the SAT pouches connected, yet still access the main pack's full contents. Ideal for numerous applications. Highlights ease in visual indexing and organization of contents. Multiple attachment options using MOLLE platform, D-rings, 2 available multi-strap Velcro webbing lengths, detachable back panel, or various webbing tracks integrated on all sides of the Mac Pack. Mac Pack variants include the Mac, or empty core pack, customized to your own specific needs and use, and the Mac-Gyver fully loaded utility, survival pack.